to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some unboxing and also showing some new pieces that I've got from the stores. And yeah, don't mind my face, I have some battle scars because I just took our cat to the vet and she didn't really like the vaccinations. So yeah, I got some battle scars. But yeah, with no further ado, let's get started. And these pants that I'm wearing, or let me tell you, I'm wearing this white tee that I haven't bought. This is actually my boyfriend's because I didn't find my white tee. I don't know where it is. But this I already own, but I didn't buy any tops. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing this white tee with everything that I've got. So these pants are new. And these are from Zara, and these I bought from the sale. And yeah, I really like these. I don't know if you've seen my other outfit videos, but I wore my boyfriend's like cargo pants, and they're like beige as well, and I really love them, and I haven't found ones that I liked, but these I really like a lot. And these go with pretty much any shoe or anything like that, so yeah. Really love these, and these are kind of like a funny material, so these do get wrinkly pretty easily, but still these are kind of like dressier or casual. But yeah, I think that I'm going to be getting a lot of wear out of these like now and then during the fall and probably in the winter as well. But yeah, let's move on to the next one. I'm going to go through first the things that I've bought from the stores, and then I'm going to unbox. I have a Weekday and Missguided thing that I have to unbox. But yeah, then I'm going to show you another thing that I got from Zara, so then all the brands go together as well. So yeah, so these are from Zara. So I'm going to show you first probably the bottoms that I have, or because yeah, it's easy because I have the tee already on, so I think it's easier if I just change the bottom. But yeah, let's move on to the next item that I have. So this, I've been looking for a long denim skirt for so long, and I have like short ones, but I have to sell all of them because they are too small for me. Let me just move these so you can actually see better. But yeah. So yeah, I've been looking for a denim skirt that is much longer than usual because this is really flattering, and also you can wear it anytime because I have short ones and they're really uncomfortable because you can't really sit anywhere because your crotch is showing and everything like that. So yeah, really like this one. This one is from Bershka, and I also got this from the sale. And yeah, it's kind of torn at the bottom, but otherwise it's just this blue simple denim skirt. And this also goes with pretty much everything, like this white tee and some sneakers or some flats or whatever. And this also, you can wear it like more to the fall, or then now still when it's kind of summer. But then moving on to the next one. So this dress is from Zara, and this was also on sale, and I really like this one. It has kind of an open front, but then it's tied, and it's not actually like a tied or like a tie dress because it's not open, but yeah, it still has like a cool look to it. And with this dress, I would love to have like a boots. So I've just been wearing this with sandals and sneakers and stuff like that. But it's a cool casual summer dress, which I really like because I haven't had, or last summer I didn't really have any summer dresses, so I really wanted to find cool ones. So this is one of the dresses that I got. Then I also got some bikinis, and this one is from H&M, and this one was also on sale. I really like how it has this flower print. It's super pretty, and also it makes it kind of dressy. So yeah, it looks nice. Then I also bought this hat from Another Stories, and this one would go perfectly with the swimsuit ring. Then I got this swim top, and I'm not really sure what the name of the shop was because I bought this from, yeah, some online shop, but I saw it online, and yeah, this has really narrow straps, so it goes really well if you're tanning. And yeah, the front is pretty open, and I still need a swimsuit that's like sweetheart, so that also goes well with tanning. But yeah, this is just nice and simple. So this next dress is from Stradivarius, and yeah, it has like these flowers in it, like pink little flowers, and yeah, really like this one. It's a tie dress, and it's also V-neck, and also I really like the length. It's not too short, but still it's not long. I have a hard time finding dresses that aren't too short because I have a pretty long torso, so it's really hard to find ones that fit, but this is awesome, and this was also from the sale. Then also I got these hair ties or hair pins. I will show you a close-up. But yeah, I've been really liking these, especially like the square one. I like that one. Or then, well, this one is nice as well, this pointier one. But yeah, like with this dress and with like pearl earrings, it will go really nicely, so really like this one. Then let's get unboxing. So I have this Missguided bag, and then I have a Weekday package, so I'm going to be opening these. So from Missguided, I got these bicycle shorts because my other ones, they're really in really bad condition, so I wanted to get a pair. So yeah, these fit pretty nicely. I took a UK 8 EU 36, so this is kind of loose from the waist, but otherwise they fit pretty nicely. I could have gone a size down, and these are super high-waisted, so I really like these. And the material is super soft. But these are kind of see-through, so yeah, not the thickest fabric, but these will go because usually I just wear it with like a long tee, or, well, yeah, sometimes I do wear a crop top, but yeah, it depends really. But they're not that see-through, like only if you like bend then they're a bit see-through. But yeah, really like these. These were pretty cheap. I'm not sure what the price was, but I think they were like 10 euros or something. So really good. Then another thing that I got from Missguided is this long shirt dress. I've been looking for a shirt dress for super long, and I'm super happy that I found one, but I need to try it on if it fits. Here I took, this is also a 36, a UK 8, so hopefully it's nice. And this is really nice and long, so yeah, really like it. But I'm gonna go and iron this before, because otherwise you can't really see how it looks on. So just a minute. So now it's kind of ironed, but the fabric is not cotton, or yeah, I'm not really actually sure what it is. It is cotton, but it has like this, it's kind of like shiny-ish, or like, yeah, it doesn't feel like that cottony, but I guess it's cotton because it says cotton, and then it comes in with this strap. But yeah, this was super hard to iron, or it didn't really get straight that easily. And it has slits on both sides, and then it kind of has a slit at the front because it doesn't close till the end. And this is kind of see-through, so you do want to wear nude underwear. I'm not wearing, so you can see that, but yeah. Yeah, this is pretty nice. I could have probably gone a size down, even though the sleeves are kind of short, because I also have pretty long arms, so yeah, I don't know. Maybe they're meant to be the kind of short, and they're kind of like poofy-ish, so I don't know. But you could put any belt pretty much here, so that's nice. And yeah. But this is also kind of like a fall-ish, summery dress, so it goes too many seasons. And this also could go with this hat I bought. And also, I got these shoes from Another Stories, and these were from the sale, like this hat, so I got them for 70% off, I think, so that was a pretty good deal. I'm going to take this off because I can't see anything with that, but this dress probably goes with these shoes pretty nicely. And these you can't really see, but you tie them around your ankle. You can tie them up, or then you can just tie them like this. This goes pretty well with the shoes. I don't know if you can see the shoes. Let me... So this is really nice, like a French Riviera beach outfit. And this would go pretty well with the swimsuit that I showed with the flowers underneath. Then I'm going to show you in between another shoes that I just got in the mail as well. And these shoes I've been waiting for a long time. I bought these from Vestiaire, and I have a separate video of these, so if you want to see full details and everything, and about Vestiaire and everything, go check that out. I will link it down below, or have a card up here. But these are pre-loved, and these are the Gucci Prince Down loafers, and with the fur, or black and fur. These go pretty well with the dress as well, but I'm in love with these, and I got these in a really good price, so you definitely want to check that other video out. Then let's open this Weekday box. So, I bought these sunglasses because I wanted free shipping, and they have free returns, so if I don't like these, I can return them, but I wanted free shipping. And yeah, these are kind of green. Actually, the lens is kind of green too. I'll show you close up. But I've been really loving these square kind of sunglasses. They're pretty edgy and like look cool, and they actually protect from the sun, because I have these tiny ones and they don't really protect from the sun, so they're just like like photo shoot sunglasses, but these I could actually wear. And these are pretty good. And the green lens doesn't really affect that much. Well, the sun isn't shining, so I can't really test these, but yeah, like how they look on me. Don't you? Then I got some, oh, it comes in this pouch, little pouch to protect them. Then I got another pair of pants because, well, these are like linen pants, and these are kind of like oversized. So we'll see how they look on. I got these in the size 36, and these were 50 euros, so these were pretty expensive. But yeah, I think these are 100% linen. Let's check. They're 78% lyocell and 22% cotton. So yeah, but they look like or feel like linen. But yeah, let me put these on. These are pretty nice as well. These have these slits here. I did go iron these just now, but they were pretty hard to iron because of the slits. But let me see. And these, I really like, this is like super tight from the waist, so it's almost like too tight, and these are 36, and well, sometimes I can be a 34 as well on pants. But yeah, really like these, like how they're like poofy, and these are super comfortable. You can pretty much wear these every day, but these are still like kind of fancy-ish, or you can dress these up as well, or then wear just sneakers and a t-shirt. So yeah, love it. But yeah, this was it, everything that I have or bought recently. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and maybe got some inspiration for kind of fall, late summer outfits. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!